Anyways, I'm going to be unboxing a GoPro Hero 7. It's been out for a few months now, but when I first got it, didn't know how to take it off. So here it is. So initially, on the first few GoPros that came out, all you have to do is slide it out, and then boom, you can open it, right, or unbox it. But this time, you're going to have to basically, down at the bottom, break the seal. And that, my friend, is how you unbox a GoPro Hero 7. This is the black edition. I'm going to be using it in a few to get some more, to make some more videos. And that's about it, folks. And that's it. All you have to do is slide it out. And that's it. And that's a GoPro Hero 7. I'm going to start making some videos for my car projects. This is something that I would want to use. Right now I'm using a Canon, which I love, but the battery's kind of like not the best. Alright, see you folks.